A technical Forex trader uses the CCI indicator like a pro. A technical Forex trader uses the CCI indicator like a pro. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis. Guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the CCI Pro traders. And our website is www.dayprotraders.com. The title of the video is a technical Forex trader uses the CCI indicator like a pro. Let's get started, okay? I have on my chart here the CCI period 14. The CCI stands for the Commodity Channel Index. Okay, so I have here the Commodity Channel Index indicator, period 14, okay? All right. I have also on my chart the simple moving average period 14. Why? Why I place on my chart the moving average period 14, okay? The CCI period 14 is comparing the price to the moving average period 14. If I was using the CCI period 20, in that case, I am comparing the price to the moving average 20, all right? So here, because I'm using the CCI period 14, I must also place on my chart the moving average period 14. The financial instrument that we are analyzing is the euro-dollar currency pair, okay? So we have here, let's look carefully on my chart. I want you to pay attention carefully to what we are doing here, okay? All right? So the line that I have here, this is what we call the zero line of the Commodity Channel Index, all right? So because I'm using the CCI period 14, the zero line of my CCI period 14 represents the moving average period 14, okay? So if you want to know more about how to trade the CCI, one should subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Day Pro Traders YouTube channel, okay? To know more about the CCI trading, subscribe to Day Pro Traders YouTube channel, okay? All right, so here, look carefully. All right, so we are talking about technical Forex trader using the CCI indicator like a pro. We can see that my CCI period 14 deviates or move away from the central line or the zero line. So you can see that it moves far away from the central line. Yes or no? That's the red line here, okay? All right. It is also above the level of 100. So I'm placing another line on my chart. Okay, I color into pink. That's the 100 level. You see this level here, the 100 level of my CCI. So you can see that not only my CCI period 14 deviates far away from the central line, the zero line, but it is also above the level of 100, all right? Now, how do we interpret that? When the CCI deviates from the central line, it's telling us that the price should be also, the price should deviate also from the moving average period 14. All right, so CCI period 14 deviate from the central line. It represents that it signifies that the price should also deviate from the moving average period 14. But look on my chart, the price did not deviate from the moving average 14. Okay, it didn't move too far away from the red line here. It didn't move far away from it, but the CCI did move far away from the zero line, and also it's above the level of 100. This is a typical unfamiliar CCI discrepancy, or what I like to call unfamiliar CCI divergence. If you want to know more about how to trade the Commodity Channel Index unfamiliar CCI divergences, you need to go to Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. Okay, what is unfamiliar CCI discrepancy? An unfamiliar CCI discrepancy will take place when the speed of the price diverges from the speed of the CCI indicators. All right. So you can see that there is a divergence. The CCI move is going too fast in relation to the central line, but the price is still on or near the moving average 14. This is what we call unfamiliar CCI discrepancy. All right. So for me, for the interpretation of this is that the price, the euro dollar, has a high chance to break above the current resistance level. Which level? Okay. Now, going to put another line on my chart. I'll place it on the high of this candlestick bar on the daily chart. So we are talking about the level of 11349. So what I would say to traders is that if the price breaks above the high, okay, of the candlestick bar, if the price breaks above the level of 11349 and a final support above it, priority to bullish signal, because we have a bullish unfamiliar CCI discrepancy. The CCI, the speed of the CCI diverges from the speed of the price. The CCI is faster than the price. The CCI deviates from the central line while the price is still on or near the moving average period 14. All right? Okay? So, but the common trading mistake that traders are making is that when traders see, okay, what we call, okay, a leading signal, very often traders will assume that the price will confirm it. But that's not the best approach. The best approach is to wait until the price confirm, okay, the leading signal, because an unfamiliar CCI divergence is a leading signal, okay? All right. So here we have a bullish trade setup, provided that, okay, the price breaks above the level of 11349 and a final support above the level of 11349. Priority to bullish signal above the level of 11349. This is about a technical Forex trader uses the CCI indicator like a pro. In this case, we are talking about an unfamiliar CCI divergence when the speed of the CCI is, diverges from the speed of the price. Okay, here it is. Okay, so you can see that the CCI went too far. So it must deviate from the central line, and it must also go above the level of 100. At the same time, the price should be on or near the moving average 14 or the corresponding moving average. Because if I'm using the CCI period 20, I will have placed on my chart the moving average 20. So that's therefore we are talking about the corresponding, okay, moving average. Okay. So for this is a bullish trade setup. It doesn't mean that the price, repeat, will definitely confirm, okay, this unfamiliar CCI divergence, but we have a bullish trade setup. Now we must use a top-down trading system, waiting for a clear-cut signal on another time frame, and select a low-risk entry point to enter the trade on the edge. Okay, so we on a daily chart, we can say use the daily chart, our trading setup, the hourly chart as our signal, and the 10-minute time frame as our entry point. But there are more to multiple time frame trading method. Okay, this is just one example that one can use. Okay, another thing I need to mention to traders is that very often like this, the price may run very fast. So for more experienced traders, one can also, traders that are more experienced, may see, you see the line that I have here. Let's color it instead into red. That's okay. The resistance that must be taken out, and then we want to see a breakout, retest, and a continuation. It does not mean that the price will definitely do that, but if the price is doing exactly that, well, we will, okay, trade the price itself instead of trading the commodity channel index indicator. All right? It makes sense? It is also powerful. A TSCW24 trader will highlight the level of 11349 and we switch to the first best time frame, okay, to use the TSTW 24 trading system. This is a technical analysis of the euro-dollar currency pair using the commodity channel index indicator. In this case, the setup is given to us by an unfamiliar CCI, okay, divergence, okay? All right. The next step. So we have done a technical analysis. This is what a lot of new traders may find be challenging. So do not stop, okay, after you have identified, okay, a technical trade setup. That's not the end of the trading, all right? It's not the end of the trading. So how do we manage the risk? There are other things that will influence the Forex market. These are what we call the economy news. We now go to forexfactory.com. And next week, as I explained to traders in a previous video that I posted at Joe Trio YouTube channel, I was telling to traders how a trader can prepare for a Forex trading. So I told traders that around mid-month, around the 15th of each month, we have some major economy news. So the date today is the 12th of September 2015. So next week, we are in the middle of the month, which is, we are in the month, in the week, half of the month. So next week is starting from the Monday, the 14th, 15, you see? So that's the mid of the month. So around the 15th, okay, to the 20th of the month, we usually have high impact economy news. Where are they? So this is one thing that can change, okay, the dynamics of our technical analysis. So next week, okay, we are looking forward the red envelope you see here for the Australian dollar, all right, late in the night, 9:30 p.m. That's 2:30 a.m. London time. All right, here it is on Monday, 2:30 a.m. Okay, so that will be Tuesday in the morning. 2:30 a.m. in London. But for traders that are in New York, that's 9:30 p.m. on Monday. Okay, here it is, red envelope. Here we have again for the Chinese, a red envelope. This economy news will influence the Forex market. Let's move on. I want to concentrate on the U.S. economy news. Okay, we have here one red envelope again regarding the pound. This we can change the dynamics of the Forex market. We have for the Canadian building permits, the Bank of Canada rates a statement, overnight rate by the Bank of Canada. New Zealand press conference. Okay, here it is, another red envelope. These are the economy news that we must, okay, monitor, okay, to navigate through this messy market. A lot of traders very often are, okay, genuine, okay, technical traders, but very often they forget, okay, the fundamental analysis and the economy news. Okay, we want to combine the technical analysis with the economy news because these economy news can change the dynamics of the market. So pay attention to the red envelopes here. And on Thursday, very important for traders that are trading for us, on Thursday we have some major economy news regarding the US dollar. Unemployment claims at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. That's 1:30 p.m. London time. And again, on Friday we have here, okay, the US PPI month by month. Here it is, again another red envelope. And again, okay, at 10 a.m. on Friday we have a preliminary consumer sentiment regarding the US economy. Okay, so try to pay attention to the economy news and manage your trade accordingly due to the volatility that these economy news can bring into, okay, the Forex market. Okay, it makes sense. So where are we? Am I here? I'm talking about something else. Here we are. Next week is starting. Here we are. I was looking at last week, in fact. Here it is. So next week starting, let's start again. Here it is on Monday, monetary policy meeting, Australian dollar, okay, right here. And then we have on Tuesday, okay, CPI, that's the pound. Bank of Japan press conference on Tuesday, red envelope. So pay attention, go to forexfactory.com. The German ZEW economy sentiment, this economy news will affect the Forex market when London is open on Tuesday, okay, and can change the dynamics of the market. The best approach is to wait for the economy news to be released first and then to come back later, okay, when the volatility, okay, is now low, okay. So on Wednesday, we have another major economy news regarding the pound, okay? And also look carefully here. Here, again, on Wednesday, this is what I'm talking about here. Regarding the U.S. economy, we have the CPI, the core CPI, month by month. Here it is. This economy news will change the dynamics of the market. So be aware of the economy news. Okay, do not use the technical analysis alone. New Zealand dollar, GDP, okay, quarter by quarter. And also here, okay, the Bank of, Kuroda speaks, okay. That's the Bank of Japan, Governor Kuroda speaks. So that this will affect, the forex market late in the night in London. Okay, that's 2:30 a.m. Eastern time. That's 7:35 a.m. on Thursday. So if you are trading during a London session, okay, pay attention to these economy news. Here we have again around on the 17th of July, on the 17th of September, 2000 on Thursday. Okay, 17th of September 2015. We have again a major economy news regarding the U.S. economy, the building permits. Okay, these are the economy news that will mess up the forex trading for traders that are not paying attention to economy news. The unemployment claims, all right, and Philly Fed manufacturing index also due at 10 a.m. So Thursday is very important day next week. So if you are trading forex, okay, here they are again. The FOMC economy projection. This economy due at 2 p.m. Okay, Eastern time. That's 7 p.m. London time. Again, okay, on Thursday. So on the 7th, you see from the 15th to the 20th of the month, it's quite difficult for new traders to navigate through the forex market because some new traders do not pay attention to the economy news. So go to the Forex Factory and check out, the economy news, navigate through the market, wait for the economy news to be released. Do not have too many trade open when the economy news is due, all right? Because of the volatility that will bring into the market, okay? So talking about technical forex trader uses the CCI indicator like a pro. Though we are using the CCI indicator, the commodity channel index indicator, we have identified a bullish trade setup due to an unfamiliar, CCI, divergence. Our technical strategy is to look for bullish trade setup above the level of 113.49, but it does not mean that the price will definitely break above it. But if that's the case, we will take advantage of it and trade the price self, without ignoring, the major economy news. It makes sense? It is also very powerful. So it's very simple. The level that we are watching for the euro next week is a level of 113.49, priority to bullish signal above 113.49, but we must also take into consideration, the major economy news, because we are now in the middle of a month. So remember, between the 15th to the 20th of each month, traders need to trade, conservatively, If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, make sure you give us the thumbs down, But do not, I need to mention it, do not give us the thumbs down just because, you are a stock trader, all right? Because some traders are trading stock. They say, George, I'll prefer that you give us a stock video while you're giving us for a video. I'll mark this video down. Do not do that, So if you are a stock trader, do not mark it down because this is a forex video. On the other hand, we have noticed some traders are forex traders and they want us to produce a more forex video. And sometimes when we give stock trading video, they mark it down because they are not stock traders. Do not do that. We have traders that are trading forex and we have traders that are trading stock. So we need to record videos for both traders, stock videos and also forex videos. So if you like the video, give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please give us the thumbs down. If you love it, please share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you love our video, please feel free to subscribe to our channels. This is the end of this video about a technical forex trader uses the CCI indicator like a pro, If you want to know more about the CCI unfamiliar divergences, go to the Pro Traders, YouTube channel. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TS CCI Pro traders. Speak to you soon.